Hello students, good day to you. Today I'm going to do a question regarding the least common multiples, the application of least common multiples, right? Always when we have three numbers or two numbers, more than one number, we will be finding the least common multiples, right? But why we are studying that? Why we are studying that lesson? So today in this video, we will discuss that, okay, with a question. This question is in the grade 10 book review exercise, the chapter called the least common multiples. Let me read the question. Listen. Mr. Gunatilaka visits Golface grounds every Sunday evening to observe the setting of the sun. So what do you mean by every Sunday? Every Sunday means, let's say he is going to visit on this Sunday, and next Sunday he will be visiting the Golface ground. So that means every 7 days, right? He's visiting Golface grounds every 7 days, right? Okay, so that is the hidden number. That is the hidden part. They said every Sunday evening to observe the setting of the sun. Okay, the next person, Mr. Muhammad and Mr. Pereira, to visit the same location once every 6 days and every 8 days, respectively, for the same reason. Okay, then Mr. Gunatilak, right? Mr. Gunatilaka visits every 7 days. That means every Sunday. Mr. Muhammad visits every 6 days, and Mr. Pereira visits every 8 days. Right. So now here, if the three of them met each other for the first time in Golface grounds on Sunday, the 8th of December 2013. So the day is given Sunday, the 8th of December 2013. So everyone, each of them met on 8th of December 2013. After how many days did they all meet each other again at the same location? And the next question they ask, on which date did they meet again? So if I want to find out the next same day, okay, the next day when they meet each other on the same location, if I want to find out that, I have to check the least common multiple of these three numbers. What is least common multiple of these three numbers? That particular number should be divisible by 7, divisible by 6, divisible by 8. So that is that specific number. So if I want to find out that specific number, I have to go with the least common multiples. So let me write 7. If I write 7, the 7 will be having only one power, that is 7 to the power 1, because this is a prime number. Prime factors, you have to go with the prime factors. The prime factors are 2 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 1. For the 6 and for the 8, it's 2 to the power 3. So if I want to find out the least common multiples, I will be writing, when comparing the power of 2, 2 to the power 3 is the greatest. So I'm going to write 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 1 and 7 to the power 1. Because when comparing 3, only one 3 is there. So you have to take that. And here only one 7 is there when comparing these all. So 7 times 3, 21. This is 8. 21 times 8 is 168. That means after 168 days, they will meet each other on the same location. Okay, on the same location after 168 days. This number is divisible by 7, divisible by 6, divisible by 8. Okay, so now they are asking, so we found the day, we found how many days, and they are asking on which date did they meet again. Okay, so they said earlier, if the three of them met each other for the first time in Golface grounds on Sunday, the 8th of December 2013. 8th of December 2013. 2013. Right, okay. Listen, you have 168 days, right? 168 days. This is after 168 days, right? They will meet each other on the same location. So here it's 8, right? So if I want to fulfill December, the December is finishing on 31st. So if I want to fulfill December, I should add 23. Okay, I should add 23 to end this year. So 168, let me subtract 23. So this is December. This is December. If I subtract 23, I will be getting 145. Now I'm in 2014 January, right? 2014 January. So if I want to subtract the January, how many number of days in January? 31. So I'm going to subtract 31. So this will be 4, 1, 114. So the next month is February. This is not a leap year because 2014 is not divisible by 4. You should be studying this in grade 7. Okay, you should have studied this in grade 7. 2014 is not divisible by 4. So that's why it's not a leap year. So then definitely the number of this February, the number of days in February is 28. So if I subtract this, 14 minus 8 is 6. Here 10, 10 minus 2 is 8. So 86. And the next month is March. March is finishing on 31st. So let me write it here. March is finishing on 31st. So March 86 minus 31. So I have to write here 8 minus 3 is 5. And then April 30. So you will be getting 25. And then May is 31. So you can't subtract 31 from 25. So this is the day. This is the date. What is the date? 25th of May. Sorry. Yeah. 25th of May, right? Because 30 is done, right? We subtracted all the 30 days on the month April. The number of days in April is done, finished. So now we remain with 25, right? So this is in the month of May, right? So 25th of May 2014. And if I want to find out the days, if I want to find out the specific day, this day is Sunday, right? They all meet on Sunday. So if I want to find out the day, what should I do is I should divide 168 by 7. Okay, I should divide 168 by 7. If I get 0, that means they will be meeting on Sunday. If I get the remainder 1, they will be meeting on Monday. Okay, if I get 2, I have to add 2 days ahead. Okay, that means Tuesday. If I get 3, Wednesday. If I get 4, Thursday, like that. So this is, if this is divisible by 7, then they will be meeting on Sunday. Okay, let me check that. 16 divided by 7 is 2, remainder 2, because 14 minus, you have to minus 14, so you will get 2, then 28 divided by 7 is 4. So there is no remainder, then they will be meeting again on Sunday, right? Sunday 25th of May 2014. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment. Thank you.